Nowadays, people are downloading apps to earn money by playing game on their mobile to earn money by playing game from mobile. One of this is this Toast to Win app which claim to earn money by playing game. So friend, let's know that what is Toast to Win app, how to use this app, how can you make money with Toast to Win app and how to withdraw. And our most important and final question is whether the friend Toast to Win app real or fake and safe. Toast to Win app which claimed that you can earn money just by playing the game. It is an Android game where you will earn money from playing the game. There is no fee from the people for playing the game. So let's be friends. Let's see how to game work by playing the game itself. Here I have already downloaded this app from the Play Store. I open this app from here. After opening the graphic design interface of this app will look something like this. There is no option to registration in this app. Here is the option of wallet which money will be showing earning. So friend, let's try this game by playing the game app. Now let's tell a friend, so this app real or fake. Toast to Win app which say that you can earn money just by playing game, but in reality there is nothing like this. It is kind of cheat. The Toast to Win app is very suspicious. Maybe this app pays some lucky user money to show themselves real. My opinion is that you should not expected earn money from the Toast to Win app. If you look at the review of this app, then a lots user have given negative reviews. Toast to Win app is real or fake. I cannot claim this app to be fake, but according to me this app can be fake because many people are claiming to be fake. This app is not safe to use. You can use this app for entertainment just like other games.